Before you buy another bottle of tartar sauce, let me show you 3 easy homemade versions. A classic 5-minute recipe, a McDonald's copycat, and a smooth version, no pickles, for seafood lovers. I'm Johnny Mac, and this is the Sauce and Gravy channel. One of these is going to change your fish fry forever. Let me quickly walk you through it and show you how to make tartar sauce. So let's begin with the classic 5-minute tartar sauce recipe. You'll need a mixing bowl and some spoons. That's it. First off, add 1 cup or 240 grams of mayonnaise to the bowl. And you really can't go wrong with this. It's such an easy tartar sauce recipe. Next ingredient, relish. And you have 2 choices here. You can either put sweet relish or dill. It's homemade, so you can make it how you like it. 2 tablespoons or 40 grams. So what's the difference? Dill relish gives tartar sauce a bright flavor that cuts through rich fried fish. Sweet relish makes the sauce smoother and milder and softens the saltiness of the fried fish. To that, you'll add 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of freshly squeezed lemon juice. So what fish does homemade tartar sauce pair well with? Pretty much anything fried. Fried cod, fried catfish, goes well with fish sticks, salmon, put it on shrimp, put it on a fish sandwich, why not? To that, you'll add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And it's such a quick tartar sauce recipe, and that's probably why it's considered the classic. Spank in some black pepper. You can add as much or as little as you like. And a dash of salt. Mix everything together. And I have a super easy oven-fried catfish recipe that I love to put this tartar sauce on. I'll put a link in this video's description of a step-by-step video on how to make it if you'd like to check it out. This comes together so fast, so if you're in a hurry and you need a quick tartar sauce, this is your go-to. Give it a quick taste, see if you need to adjust the seasoning. Oh yeah, that's good. You're gonna like this. Woo! Fast and delicious. And that's all there is to it. That's how you make a classic 5-minute tartar sauce. This recipe will yield about 1 cup or 250 milliliters of tartar sauce, and it should last covered in the fridge for roughly 3 to 5 days. For this recipe, I'm going to walk you through how to make a McDonald's copycat tartar sauce. It's easy and absolutely delicious. This is a quick recipe also. All that you need are a bowl, spoons, and all of the ingredients. Begin by adding 1 cup or 240 grams of mayonnaise to the bowl. McDonald's tartar sauce recipe just calls out for a fish sandwich. It's got Filet-O-Fish copycat sauce written all over it. To that, you'll add 2 tablespoons or 40 grams of relish, sweet relish. Next up to bat, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. You'll also add 1 teaspoon of granulated white sugar. Next, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Round up your spoon and give it a mix. Have you ever wondered why fast food sauces taste so good? Well, the reason is the fast food sweetness balance trick. So what they do is they add a touch of sweetness, like a little sugar or sweet relish, to balance the acidity and the salt in the tartar sauce, making it smoother and more well-rounded without tasting sweeter. After it's well mixed, give it a taste. Wow, you're gonna like this. That onion powder, whew, it just gives me a little pick-me-up. Wow, it's got a really good taste. You gotta try this. Woo, good stuff. And that's all there is to it. It's that simple. That's how you make McDonald's copycat tartar sauce. This should make about 1 cup or 250 milliliters. You should be able to store it in the fridge for roughly 1 to 2 weeks if covered and properly stored. Before we hit the next recipe, if you'd like to check out the Sauce and Gravy channel cookbooks, each recipe comes with a free video tutorial to help guide you through the process. I hope that they help you make many delicious homemade sauces. For this recipe, I'm going to show you a no-pickle fresh herb tartar sauce. You can make this one in a matter of minutes. There is a little prep work, but you can knock it out very fast. Begin by zesting a lemon. If you want to impress everybody at a homemade fish fry, this is your sauce. And you don't want to get the white pith. If you get the white pith, it's a tad bit bitter, and you don't want that. And you know, the sauce, it's a great seafood dipping sauce, especially if you want to change it up from that normal cocktail sauce. Give it a quick chop. So what do you think the best tartar sauce for fried fish is? Does it have any secret ingredients? Let everybody know, leave a comment. Next up to bat, fresh dill. You'll need at least 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped dill. The next ingredient, capers. It's an optional ingredient, however, it's really good in the tartar sauce. If you do put it in, you can either chop it up or you can leave them whole. For this recipe, I'm going to chop them up. That takes care of the prep work. Now it's time to throw this no-pickle fresh herb tartar sauce together. Round up a mixing bowl and a spoon or something to stir with. Start off by adding 1 cup or 240 grams of mayonnaise to the bowl. To that you'll add your freshly zested lemon, your 1 tablespoon of fresh dill, capers, 1 teaspoon that's been chopped. Again, this is optional. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And if you wanted a lighter version of any of these tartar sauce recipes, you could always switch out the mayo with Greek yogurt. Spank on some black pepper, as much as you like, and add a touch of salt. Give it all a mix. And you know, homemade tartar sauce tastes better than bottled because it's fresher, it's made with real ingredients, and it's tailored to personal taste without preservatives or heavy processing. If you're looking for something that's different and tastes good and has a nice little look to it, this is your tartar sauce. After it's been well mixed, give it a taste. See if you need to adjust the seasoning. Wow. It's nice, it's savory, it's fresh. You're gonna like this. Woo! This recipe will yield 1 cup or 250 milliliters of tartar sauce. It should last covered in the fridge for roughly 3 to 4 days. So that's all there is to it. Now you have 3 easy tartar sauces that you can make all at home that are perfect for fried fish, fish sticks, salmon patties, crab cakes, shrimp, and fish sandwiches. These simple seafood dipping sauces are creamy, tangy, and better than store-bought. Don't forget to check out my oven-fried catfish recipe, links in the description. Until next time, keep whisking, y'all.